Koqlpo Cynav Tool is a program that may unexpectedly appear in your system, being visible in Task Manager and also among system files. In fact, it is a virus that has some spyware-like capabilities. In this video, I will disclose the dangers of this program in details and also explain how to remove it from the system. So let's start with understanding what this program is. As I've just mentioned, in its core it is an Adware-like unwanted application. This program gets into the system without user knowledge and starts spamming users with dozens of advertisements. It is designed specifically to inject promotions into every single site you visit, and even into the system tray. But this is only the most visible symptom, and the biggest danger of Koqlpo Cynav Tool hides in its Infostealer capabilities that it uses in the background. What this app does in the background is gaining persistence and collecting user information. It abuses system calls and PowerShell to get more privileges and runs the additional modules. These modules further go through all the places on the disk where the user credentials are stored. Once again, all this happens in the background without any visible signs, so you will barely notice that something is wrong. Main risks of spyware or Infostealer malware activity is the potential identity theft. And the more times the malware is active, the wider is the selection of accounts it can compromise. Be sure you will not like seeing all your accounts being hijacked and the fraudster sending messages with more malware from your name. Well, with that being said, let's discuss how to remove the Koqlpo Cynav Tool virus from the system. The Adware side of the app is not really hard to get rid of. It puts its files in the eponymous directory and won't stop you when you try removing it, especially in safe mode. However, the spyware module does its best at hiding, so manual removal is complicated, to say the least. For this exact reason, I recommend using Ginapc malware. It will detect and remove any malicious application, regardless of how deeply it digs into the system. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan. This will check the entire system down to the hidden folders and system configuration files. The process will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click Clean Now to remove the detected malicious elements. This will delete all the pieces of the malicious program, both the Adware part and spyware. Now the system is clean. Good luck and stay safe online.